Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Tempozan Marketplace. Tempozan Marketplace is a big shopping mall in the Tempozan area of Osaka's Minato ward. It is close to popular spots like the Osaka Aquarium, Kaiyukan, and the Tempozan Giant Ferris Wheel. Many tourists visit this place to shop and eat while enjoying sightseeing by the sea. Inside, there are many shops selling fashion items, souvenirs, and character goods. It's a good place to buy gifts from Osaka. There is also a special food area called Naniwa Kuishinbo Yokocho. It looks like old Osaka in the Showa period. Here you can try local foods like okonomiyaki, takoyaki, and kushikatsu. Many shops has English menus and signs so foreign visitors can enjoy eating easily. There are fun places for children too, like small amusement areas. Seasonal events and live shows are also held, so families can enjoy the whole day here. Many people visit the aquarium and ferry wheel together with the marketplace, making a full day plan easy. It is easy to get to Tempozan Marketplace. It's about a 5-minute walk from Osaka Kou Station on the Osaka Metro Jewel Line. With the 2025 Osaka Kansai Expo coming, the Tempozan area with great event more popular. If you want to enjoy shopping, food, and fun near Osaka Bay, Tempozan Marketplace is a great place to visit. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.